Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to book an appointment from the Medesync Patient Portal. To do so, you'll first need to activate the appointment type you wish to make available online. Slide your mouse under Management, then select your appointment types. Click on the appointment type you wish to publish online, and then make sure it's checked off Open for online booking. You're now able to go in your agenda and start building your schedule. Click at 8 p.m. if you wish to open your day at 8 p.m. So I'm going to put start time and an end time like you usually would when you're building your Medesync schedule. And then from there, you choose the category online booking to make this slot available from 8 to 12 onto the patient portal. And then you just go in and you select the appointment type you wish to publish onto your portal. And then you click Save. That's it. Now your schedule is available onto the patient portal. So as a patient, I'm now able to log in, go under my appointments, select my professional, the appointment type I wish to come to, and then my date range. So let's say from now to end of April. When you click search, it's listing the next 5 availabilities. So I'm going to go ahead and book for March 26th. And I go ahead and click Book Appointment. The appointment is booked. I now see it as an upcoming appointment. I can print out a confirmation. And when I go back in my home button, I see the next appointment with my doctor. If you now go to Medesync on March 26th, you'll see the patient that's in your schedule. In a few minutes, your email confirmation system will pick up and a patient will receive a confirmation email.